YouTube! How's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. It is a bitterly cold day. Winter storm came through. Chickens are loud and back. 2 inches of snow, but the winds are pretty going along at a pretty good clip, let's say. I'd probably say 20 to 30. Might be a little bit higher on the gust. But back here, sheep. The new ewe, chickens have decided to invade their area back, their old area back. But the ewes here, Mr. Wiggles, Ranger. So everyone's doing fine for the past few days. Her deposits are still looking good. She's put on a good amount of feed. Driver's side is her ruminant, passenger side is not. I can see a lot of food in the ruminant, but she's also dropped. I still can't tell if she's going to have a baby or not. I believe she is. I was looking at her number on her tag. She's an oldie. We're thinking a couple of years old, but you can see how she's bony. She kind of looks like a Holstein. But she's doing all right. She's got a big belly. And that shows signs of either bloat or she's pregnant. And I'm going to hope for pregnant. We got her on hay and hay only. So that should be good. Egg production is way up. Yeah, egg production is going well. We're probably getting about 20, 24 eggs a day. Sheep are doing well. All the rams and ewes that we got, the new ones, they're all doing well. There's a couple over there, but the glare is probably going to be in the way. But they're all eating. The little ram, he's doing much better, but the big ram and the 4 girls, they're doing really good. They are actually at sale weight if I was to sell them. So that's it from us today. Well, actually not really. There's something else. Yeah. We bought a dozen broad-breasted turkeys today. I'm really not big into brooding anymore. And I don't want to, but turkeys is something we lost last year, and I want some more turkeys. They are highly desirable out here. A lot of people like to buy farm fresh turkeys. So we're going to do a dozen, probably keep 6 for ourselves, sell 6 off if we make it with all of them. If not, we'll probably go 50-50 on selling. But that's it from us today. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.